welcome to Grace in My Space. Today, we are gonna make gardening automated. Today's video was made possible by RainPoint. I am so excited to install their new smart watering system at our Airbnb, and I cannot wait to showcase all the different features that come along with it. Owning an Airbnb has been a huge blessing, but there are challenges that come with caring for a property that is not our primary residence. And one of those challenges is keeping the garden lush and beautiful and watered on a regular basis without having to drive over or disrupt our guests. And the RainPoint watering system is going to make this possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this in your home. I have the RainPoint Smart Garden Super Experience. It has 2 different flow options so that you can automatically schedule 2 different types of watering for your garden, and everything is controlled via app or through the Smart Hub. So let me show you how it works. As a part of the Super Experience, you receive the display hub, a 2-zone water timer, the soil moisture sensor, a water flow meter, a precision rain sensor, as well as an outdoor humidity sensor. You start by downloading the HomeGar app and registering your device, and then you proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi and set up all of your different devices within your app. Once your account is registered, the first device that you're going to connect is your display hub, which will show you everything that you need to know for your entire smart watering system right within your home. The Smart Hub is where you're going to see all the different stats that you need for your entire system in addition to your app. The next step is going to be connecting all of the different devices that comes with the system that you choose. I am using the Super Experience, which includes a right and a left valve option where you can actually schedule everything from right within the app. You can schedule how long you want something watered for. You can schedule it based on the right side versus the left side and have 2 completely different schedules for each hose. You can also implement an irrigation plan with rain delay, calculate how much water usage you are using, and alter anything you need right within the app without even having to be at your home. This takes all of the guesswork out of your watering schedule and allows you to control it right from your phone. The next step is going to be adding any additional devices to your system. I am adding the soil moisture meter, which is a great option so that you can see exactly how much moisture is already in the soil before you water. Once you have all of your devices paired, it's time to actually set it up outdoors. All you do is connect the system to a spigot, connect your hoses, lay them where you need to. I decided to do soaker hoses through the entire front bed, as well as inside each individual large planter pot. And this gives me a lot of control without spray going everywhere. In the past, I've had a hard time growing things in these pots because I'm not here to water often, and now this is going to be on a daily schedule that takes all of the work out of the process. Even if I am not home or not at the Airbnb, I can see when my system is watering, how much time is left, and I can stop it if I need to. In addition, I also have installed the air humidity sensor, and all of these things you can view right from your app. In addition to adding our RainPoint smart watering system, I'm also just sprucing up a few areas around the cottage with some new outdoor chairs, some new flowers in the flower boxes, and getting all of these spaces prepped for our summer guests. This system is going to be a game changer. In addition, you can also install a RainPoint rain gauge so you know exactly how much rain has fallen and can compensate for that in your scheduling. If you're interested in getting your own RainPoint system, head to their website. I have a discount code for 15% off for you using the code GRACEINMYSPACE15OFF. I'm so excited. This is going to be a game changer for me here at the cottage, knowing how much water my flowers are getting, knowing that they're taken care of and that they look beautiful for guests. And so a huge thanks to RainPoint for sponsoring this video. Make sure check out the description for a link to their products, and you can get yourself a smart watering system too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next week.